My video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Adless Browsing. Adless Browsing is a deceptive extension that currently is promoted through fake browser update alerts. The pop-up that promotes this extension suggests that it may be necessary to install a free extension to continue browsing the page. After installing and analyzing this extension called Adless Browsing, we have found that it generates advertisements. In other words, the extension called Adless Browsing may display even more ads than you initially thought. So it doesn't really fix the issue, it instead starts displaying even greater number of ads while you surf the web. So you need to implement certain fixes to remove this extension immediately from your Google Chrome browser. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you see this extension, you need to disable the extension and remove the extension completely. So this should manually fix the issues with your browser. However, I would also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help in order to identify and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.